Hello all, welcome again to my YouTube channel Yantravasha. Developers always face difficulty to build and ship their executable to their customers. It would be great if your customer runs your application without installing any prerequisites. Python, which is one of my favorite programming languages, supports and is very flexible with n number of open source tools to convert a script into executable. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Python script into a executable using a module called pyinstaller. So let's get started. So if you see in this folder, there are two files, which is GUI hello-world.py, which is the Python script I'm going to convert into executable, and an icon file with app.ico. Let's run this Python script. So here I'm giving Py3 because I have both versions of Python 2 and Python 3 installed. So I have a video on that, how to install both versions of Python. You can go and check that. So it is showing a window with the hello world message on it. So this GUI I want to convert into executable. Let's close the application and install pyinstaller module using pip3 install pyinstaller. So it is giving error message. The name is pyinstaller. So let's run again. So requirements already satisfied. So if you didn't install previously, it will get installed after giving this command. So now let's convert this script into executable by giving the command pyinstaller followed by the script name. After giving this command, you will see so many folders are getting created. Let's open the destination folder. So you will see a executable GUI hello world.exe is created along with the dependent files. Let's run this executable file. So you are seeing the hello world message GUI now, and along with you are seeing a console now. Please do remember you are seeing a console now. In the next command we will remove this console. So now I'm again creating the same same executable by using one file, and I want to name this executable Yantravasha as Yantravasha. So let's run. Okay, I am also giving I also want to add an icon to this application. Previously it is some default icon. I want to add the icon app.ico, this icon to that executable. So now we are telling pyinstaller to create the application with one file and name it as Yantravasha and use this icon for the executable. So previously you are seeing one folder, now you are only seeing one executable with name Yantravasha. So because we used one file and we renamed while creating the executable, now you are able to see the GUI. But the console is still there. You don't want to show this console. For that you need to give this window to remove the console while running the application. You need to pass this argument. So window, and I am renaming it to Yantravasha 1. So once it is done, you are seeing a executable with name Yantra Bhasha 1. Let's run it. So now there is no console, only the GUI is showing up. So this is how you can convert a Python script to a executable using pyinstaller, and there are so many additional arguments you can pass to pyinstaller, advanced additional models, but pyinstaller support most of the modules like numpy, pandas and all. So I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please do comment, and if it is you found it useful, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.